Are you tired of smoke, oil and odors taking over your kitchen? Today we are exploring a chimney that not only looks stylish but also brings powerful performance even with low energy consumption. Presenting the Elica 90cm BLDC Filterless Autoclean Chimney with a massive 1500 cubic meters per hour suction capacity, sleek black finish, touch control with motion sensor and an unbeatable warranty 15 years on motor and 5 years comprehensive. Stay tuned as we unbox, install and put this chimney to the test. Now let's begin with the unboxing. The model we have here is the WDFL 900 BLDC HSE LTW MS NERO. MRP written 31,990 but got the product only at 16,000 from Amazon. Check the link in the description for current pricing. Inside the package, you will find the chimney carefully packed with protective coverings. Along with the main unit, you will get oil collector and one instruction manual. Carefully notice, duct pipe is not provided with this box pack. You have to buy it separately from market. The design stands out with its premium matte black finish, carved glass wood and filterless technology. No messy filter cleaning needed, just simple auto cleaning at the press of a button. At the base, you can see the touch control panel with motion sensor for hands-free operation. Wave your hand and it responds instantly, a smart feature for today's modern kitchen. Everything feels well-built, sturdy and elegant, definitely made to enhance the look of your modular kitchen. At the top, this area will be used for the connection of the duct pipe. Serial number of the product is printed here, you can see. As the chimney is BLDC, so it will consume less power. The motor, it will consume 90 watt. 2 LEDs, only 4 watt. Now moving on to the installation. The installation has been conducted by the Elica technician. The chimney installation height is usually 65 to 75 cm above the cooktop for maximum efficiency. This technician visit is chargeable. The installation cost and the technician contact number is generally displayed in the order page of the e-commerce site. You can contact the technician or technician will contact you after the successful delivery of the product. I have paid 590 rupees to the technician for this installation. The duct pipe must be connected to ensure proper ventilation and smoke exit. This is 6-inch 10-foot aluminium duct pipe which you have to buy separately from the market. If you want to know about this duct pipe and where to buy it and what is the size of the duct pipe, click on the I button. It's always recommended to have professional installation for a perfect fit and safe setup. Once mounted, you can see how the 90 cm width perfectly covers a 3 to 5 burner cooktop, ensuring wide suction coverage. Proper sealing around the duct connection is important to avoid leakage of smoke back into the kitchen. Finally, the power connection is made. The chimney requires a standard electrical outlet and very little power consumption thanks to the BLDC motor. Now the technician is showing demo how to use the chimney first time. Technician also shown how to clean inside, opening the front grill cover and how to remove and attach oil collector. Let's now explore the operation of this chimney. Observe minutely how the smoke and fume are sucking towards the chimney. This chimney features a touch control panel with motion sensor. Elica branding is depicted right side of the touch control panel. The letter S in both left and right sides are positions of two motion sensors. Plus and minus buttons are for increasing and decreasing speed respectively. Chimney offers multiple speed level ranging from 0 to 9 and it is displayed in the single digit display board in the right side. Then LED on off button, then heat auto clean button and finally right side the chimney switch on off button. Now let's observe closely the LED lights of the 2 watt each, total 4 watt but intense enough to light up the cooktop. This is the left side LED of 2 watt. This is 2 watt on right side. The highlighted feature is its auto clean function. With a single touch, the thermal auto clean technology activates, melting away accumulated oil and grease, which collects neatly in the removable oil collector. Now let's observe closely the oil collector. Once in a month, by activating heat auto clean button, collect oil and grease in the collector and clean it from there. Chimney has been switched on from the main switch. Now touch the switch on off button to power on the chimney. Now let's touch the plus button to increase the speed. This is the speed level 1. Now speed level 2, then 3, 4 and up to 9. Now let's decrease the suction speed by touching the minus button. Maximum noise level is 58 dB, which is significantly less with respect to the non-BLDC chimneys. Now let's touch the LED power on off button. Now the two LEDs have been switched on. Now let's closely observe the intensity of the two LEDs. Now let's switch off the LEDs by touching the same button. With just a wave of your hand, the motion sensor switches the chimney on a hygienic touch-free way to use it while cooking. You can also control the speed level of the chimney by waving your hand from left to right. Digit 9 indicates maximum suction power of 1500 m3 per hour, which quickly removes smoke and grease, keeping your kitchen fresh. Wave your hand once again to come to the speed level 0 from speed level 9. If you wave your hand quickly from right to left, the chimney goes to switch off mode. If you wave your hand slowly, it enters into the timed switch off mode. In this stage, 3 digit and the power button blink simultaneously, which indicates it will switch off after 3 minutes. For activate thermal auto clean, then press and hold the auto clean button and the auto clean button starts blinking and 9 digit is on. It will heat chimney for 9 minutes and melt all grease, dirt and collect it to the oil collector. Again press and hold to deactivate it. That's the Elica 90 cm BLDC Filterless Autoclean Chimney, smart, powerful and future ready. With the 1500 m3 per hour suction, it clears smoke in seconds, while the BLDC motor saves energy every day. No filters, no mess, just effortless auto cleaning. Stylish touch control, motion sensor and an unbeatable 15-year motor warranty, and you have a chimney built to last. Of course, no product is perfect. At higher speed, it can get a bit noisy. Motion sensor works but is limited mainly for increasing speed, and even with a filterless design, the oil collector still needs cleaning. Installation of duct pipe costs extra, but with its energy saving BLDC motor, strong suction, motion sensor control and long warranty, it remains one of the best choices for a modern kitchen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more honest and detailed appliances reviews. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.